at the powwow with Standing Bear. What tribe are you associated with?
Cherokee.
Cherokee. And you just did a veterans dance. Are you a veteran yourself?
Yes.
What branch of the service were you with?
I was 2 years Air Force and 20 with the Army.
So what does dancing in something like this mean to you, both from a veteran standpoint and a Native American standpoint?
Well, it's to honor our ancestors, our warriors, and died and fought for this country. And it's an honor to be here. Just to represent